Ouch! Foxes do not eat slow-moving creatures.
Foxes don't get to the spiders will.
Don't see that!
Yeah, they got real big ones, size of man.
Real big ones out here.
Yeah, they're like this big.
Shut up, the two of you.
And they're like...
You know where they like to live?
What?
Little fields like this. The real big ones.
Yeah, and they move slowly until they start to attack them and
In
they're
the
like,
real
run
thick
there.
area here, that's where you can find them.
Oh, that's gross.
And then they move real slowly with their legs just going like this.
Like this one up here.
Like what?
Can get you. Ah!
It's fun making fun of you.
You jerk!
Like that real big one.
I hate nature.
Well, get used to it. Man's creation.
Man's creation?
Both. Like this is man's creation here.
Yeah.
James!